There's a rolling technique to this.
Yeah, I guess so.
Wait a minute, we still talking about snowman?
All right, here we go.